Today we'll study the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Now we know that the roots of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are formula, method formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now here this part b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant and it is denoted by the symbol a small triangle which is called as delta. Now here based on this value of discriminant the three cases arise. First case is if this value of discriminant b square minus 4ac delta is greater than 0, then the roots which you get, those roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal if delta is greater than 0. If this delta value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. You will get real and equal roots if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And third case, if the delta is less than 0, if the value of b square minus 4ac is coming negative, then the roots are not real. Now, if alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we have the two formulas. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to value of minus b upon a and product of roots alpha into beta is equal to value of c upon a. These are the two formulas. If alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation, then sum of the root alpha plus beta is minus b upon a and product of roots is alpha into beta is c upon a. Now the next note is when the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta, if roots are given alpha and beta, is given by the formula x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. This is the general equation of quadratic equation in alpha and beta. So note down these formulas and by head these formulas. Practice set 2.5. Question number 1. Activity. Fill in the gaps and complete. Quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 5. Discriminant, value of discriminant is 5. Delta is positive. Therefore, nature of roots are real and unequal. Second condition, if b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5, delta is negative. Therefore, nature of roots are not real. Second, if sum of the root is minus 5, that is alpha plus beta is minus 7, and product of root of quadratic equation is 5, alpha into beta is equal to 5, then general form of the equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 7x plus alpha into beta is plus 5 equal to 0. That is, we get as equation as x square plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Third example, if alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus minus 3 equal to 0, then comparing with x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta, we get alpha plus beta as 4 and alpha into beta as minus 3. Practice set 2.5. Question number 2, first example. find the value of discriminant. So x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. So compare with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equal to value of a. Here coefficient of quadratic term is 1. B is equal to b is 7 and c is equal to minus 1. So discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to b 7 square minus 4 into 1 into c is minus 1, that is 4 minus 7 square is 49, minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4, which is equal to 53. So value of discriminant delta is 53. Second one, 2y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. Compare with ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 10. So value of discriminant delta b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5 square minus 4 into 2 into 10, that is 25, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 10s are 80, which is equal to 55. So delta is equal to 55. And sign of a, you have to give sign of a greater number. So greater number is 80 minus, so minus 55. Delta is minus 55. Third example, root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Compare with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equal to, value of a is root 2, value of b is 4 and value of c is 2 root 2. So value of delta discriminant b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 4 square minus 4 into value of a is root 2 and value of c is 2 root 2. So 4 square 16 minus 4, this root 2 into root 2, 4 into 2, this root 2 into root 2 will be equal to 2. So 16 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So value of delta is equal to 0. Question number 3. Determine the nature of roots. Now the given first equation is x square plus 4x minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So compare with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 4. So first we find the value of discriminant delta b square minus 4ac. So delta b square minus 4ac, value of b is minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 4, that is minus 4 square is 16, minus 4 1 the 4 and 4 4 the 16, 16 minus 16 is 0. So here value of delta is equal to 0, therefore roots of given quadratic equation are real and equal. Now second, y 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. Compare with ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 2. So value of delta b square minus 4ac is equal to b square minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 2, that is 49, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 49 minus 16 is equal to 33. Here delta is 33, therefore here delta is positive, greater than 0, therefore roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. So when delta is 0, that time roots are real and equal. When delta is positive, the roots are real and unequal. Third one, m square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. Compare with am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. A equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. So value of discriminant delta b square minus 4ac, that is b 2 square minus 4 into a is 1 minus 9 into 9, c is equal to 9. So b square, that is 4, 2 square is 4 minus 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. So 4 minus 36. So difference between these two numbers is 32. Sign of a greater number is minus. So it is minus, delta is minus 32. Therefore, here delta is less than 0, a negative. Therefore, roots are not real. Question number 4. Form the quadratic equation when the value of roots of quadratic equations are given. So let two values are given here. Let alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. Therefore, the sum alpha plus beta is 0 plus 4, which is equal to 4, and alpha into beta, that is 0 into 4, which is equal to 0. So required quadratic equation is given by the formula x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus alpha plus beta is 4x plus alpha into beta is 0 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Second example, 3 and minus 10. So let alpha equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 10. So sum of the root alpha plus beta is 3 plus minus 10. 3 plus minus 10 is minus 7, and alpha into beta is 3 into minus 10, which is equal to minus 30. So required quadratic equation is given by the formula x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Here alpha plus beta x value and here alpha into beta. So x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 7x plus alpha into beta is minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus into minus plus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Third example, let alpha is equal to 1 upon 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, alpha plus beta 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 0. Then alpha into beta 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2, which is equal to minus 1 into 1 1 and 2 2s are 4, minus 1 upon 4. So required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus alpha plus beta is 0. X plus alpha into beta is minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. That is 4x square multiplied by 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Fourth example now. Let alpha is equal to 2 minus root 5 and beta is equal to 2 plus root 5. Therefore, sum of the root alpha plus beta, that is 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. Now minus root 5 plus root 5 will get cancelled. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Next is alpha 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. Here a plus b and a minus b, that is 2 square. Here we will get as 2 square minus root 5 square, which is equal to 2 square is 4 minus root 5 square is 5, which is equal to minus 1. So alpha into beta is minus 1 and alpha plus beta is 4. So required quadratic equation is x square plus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus alpha plus beta is 4x and alpha into beta is minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Question number 5. The sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double their product. Find k if the equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Here we have to find the value of k. So let us suppose let alpha and beta be the roots of quadratic equation. So x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the value of quadratic term a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4k and c is equal to value of c is k plus 3. So alpha plus beta is given by the formula minus b upon a, that is minus 4k upon a is 1. So minus into minus plus, it will become 4k. Then value of alpha into beta is given by the formula c upon a, value of c k plus 3 upon 1, a is equal to 1, so k plus 3 is 1. Now it is given that sum of the roots alpha plus beta is 2 times the product of their roots alpha into beta. So this value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta we put in this given part. So alpha plus beta is 4k is equal to 2 times alpha into beta is k plus 3. Therefore 4k is equal to 2 into k is 2k plus 2 3s are 6. Therefore 4k, now take k on one side, so left hand side it will jump, it will become minus 2k plus 2k will jump here, it will become minus 2k is equal to 6. Therefore 4k minus 2k is equal to 2k is equal to 6. Therefore k is equal to 2 into k. So 2 will jump, it will get divided upon 2, 6 upon 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore value of k is equal to 3. Sixth one, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. So comparing with ay square plus by plus c equal to 0, value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 7. So alpha plus beta sum of the root minus b upon a is the formula. So minus b means minus 2 upon 1 which is equal to 2, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, value of c is minus 7 upon a is 1 which is equal to minus 7. Now put these values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in the formula. Now find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Now alpha square plus beta square is equivalent to, it's a formula alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. If you expand this, solve this, you will get alpha square plus beta square. So alpha plus beta we are having, it is alpha plus beta is equal to 2 square minus 2 times alpha into beta is minus 7. So 2 square is 4, minus into minus plus 2 7s are 14. So 4 plus 40 is equal to 18. So alpha square plus beta square is 18. Now second thing, find alpha cube plus beta cube. Here also we have the formula for alpha cube plus beta cube. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y brackets cube minus 3xy plus x plus y. So in terms of alpha and beta, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Now we are having the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. These two values we are having, alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Substitute this value in the formula. So alpha plus beta is how much? 2 cube minus 3 into alpha into beta is minus 7 into again alpha plus beta is 2. So 3 cube 2 into 2 cube 2 cube 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Your minus into minus is plus. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 14 3s are 42. So 8 plus 42 is equal to 50. So value of alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50. Last question. The roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. Find the value of k. So here the first equation is 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. So comparing with ay square plus by plus c equal to 0, you will get a is equal to 3, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 12. Now it is given that the roots of the quadratic equations are real and equal. Therefore, the value of delta is equal to 0. The condition for real and equal roots is delta is 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So value of b, k square minus 4 into a is 3 into c 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, k square minus 4 3s are 12, 12 12 are 144 is equal to 0. Therefore, k square is equal to 144. Therefore, value of k is equal to square root of 144, 1 plus 1 minus 12. So, k is equal to either 12 or k is equal to minus 12. Now, second example. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So, first multiply this. Kx into x is kx square. Kx into minus 2 is minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So, comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, value of a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k, and c is equal to 6. Now, it is given that the roots of the quadratic equations are real and equal. Therefore, delta is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Discriminant is 0. Therefore, b minus 2k square minus 4 into a is k into c is 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. Therefore, 4k common we can take. So, k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. The values of k are 0 or 6.